My story is called When It Rains, written specially for this occasion. It's 4 little stories about the big rains in my life. Here goes the first one. Rain runs down the wall like tears. Our home is weeping. Even though the windows are tightly closed and the edges packed with towels, the water just seeps right through. The wind is howling. My home in Tsim Sha Tsui in Hong Kong faces the Victoria Harbour. And in the summer, it's the typhoon season. Typhoon in Cantonese is Dai Feng. Dai is big, Feng is wind. And the Dai Feng brings the water dragon. The dragon brings the water in from the Victoria Harbour and hit us full force in the face and leaking all over the house. My father, my mother, Ashiu, who's my beloved nanny, we're all soaking up water from the ground and wringing it into little buckets, carrying it back and put it in the sink. And we do this all night long. I am using my yellow sand bucket. And I'm catching the water dragon. I am 4 years old, and I'm a big girl now. I can help. I'm 18 years old. Eloped with a man I love. I had married him without my beloved mother's blessing. Running away from home, we crossed Canada, 2 up, in a Honda motorcycle. Every day we pass by endless wild plains under this big blue sky. Right around Lake Manitoba, suddenly the entire landscape is covered by the silver curtain. It is just raining. I reach my hand out and I cannot see my finger. The rain pitter-patters on me like big punches. We rode all night without seeing a single tongue. It was just rain, 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 rain. We're soaked to the core and chilled to the bones. I rubber band my body around his. He is so warm and soft. We are singing to stay awake, singing in the rain. I'm young, I'm in love, and I feel invincible. We had a little baby daughter. She was about 1 year old. And she just started to walk not that long ago. And I tell her about the rain. And her face just lights up when I tell her about the rain. And I got her a raincoat, a blue raincoat with yellow bunnies on them, and a green rain boots with little kittens, 3 little kittens on each side. She has a little umbrella that comes all the way down, and there's little teddy bear ears on top. And every day, she would put on all her rain gear and sit there and wait for the rain. Well, in Los Angeles, it doesn't rain a lot. She must have waited like a whole year. Finally, it rained. And she says, "Mommy, Mommy," and we rushed outside. And wow, she's just jumping from puddle to puddle to puddle. And then when she jumps, the water will splash up and it will hit my face, and Mommy will go, "Whoa, whoa." Well, it was shortly after that walk that her father and I divorced. And I lived 10 years with a man I loved very much. When my daughter was about 13, I discovered, unbeknownst to me, he had molested my daughter. After the fallout, my daughter went back to live with her father, and everything fell apart. Every day was just gray. One night, I went into the backyard and I laid out a blanket. It started to rain. The raindrops falling, pitter-patter on my face, like little kisses. And I looked through the curtain of rain. I reach my hand out. I can't see my finger. But I can see. In the rain, my little 1-year-old, wearing her blue raincoat, green rain boots, jumping from puddle to puddle. I'm a young mother. I'm proud of myself. I start singing in the rain. Come on, let it rain on me. Let the rain wash away my pain. Let the rain touch my soul. I'm in love. I'm in love. I'm invincible. I chase after the water dragon. I'm just 4 years old. And I'm happy. Rain, rain, rain. Blessed rain. Rain is life.